In this video, guys, I'm going to talk about this software. The name is funnelfreedom.io. So Jonathan, who is the creator of the Freedom Accelerator training, the 72-hour challenge, he has created this software to help affiliate marketers to start an affiliate marketing business using like a done-for-you system. Let me show you. This is a funnel. A funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And basically, I have been testing this software and I made my first commission using this system in less than 30 days. Now, it's important for you to know that you need to put in the work because so you have here a free course that you can give away in exchange for the email. So if I click here, you are going to see the opt-in page, and I'm driving traffic to this page, and I have collected so far 8 contacts. So check this out: how anyone can start the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated business from home. And when people click this button, they can put here their name, their email, and if they want, their cell phone number. And they need to check this box: I consent to be contacted using the contact information I provide. And once you have the information or software collected the name and the email, it has an automation workflow, which is basically emails that are already set up in this system sends these emails automatically. So check this out. If I click here, so this is the workflow list. If I click in the white label course, you can see that right now, so I have 8 contacts enrolled on the welcome sequence, and I have another so this is the northern sequence for 60 days. It has also another 60 day, so it has 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it has 6 northern sequence, and every sequence it has 60 days of emails. So check this out. If I click on the welcome sequence, you are going to see the emails that this software sends, and inside of the emails people are going to find my affiliate links. So when someone put their information inside of my opt-in page, that person is going to receive a welcome message with the course access. So I have waiting 2 people here, and then the software is going to wait for 1 day and is going to send the message number 2, which is the 72-hour challenge. And as you can see, this is the process, and I didn't have to write any of these emails. So these emails are inside of the system because that is what Jonathan has done for any affiliate marketer that want to start with affiliate marketing, even if they don't know how to do the tech stuff, because here you have an entire ecosystem of products that you can promote, and the only thing you need to do is go here to this tab, Funnel Freedom, click here and copy and paste your affiliate links for many programs. For example, for the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer, Wealth Warriors. So these are high-ticket products. Also, you can put your affiliate link for GetResponse, System.io, which are software to build funnels and to do email marketing. The only thing you need to do is to copy and paste your affiliate links, paste it in this tab, and then start sending traffic to your own opt-in page. And it's really working because, as I said, I got my first commission, which was a 72-hour challenge buy. So someone bought from me the 72-hour challenge, and I earned my first commission with this system, Funnel Freedom Data Job. Now, you can use this software for many things. So you can build multiple funnels, you can promote multiple things, and also you can promote also this software. And so far, I have been testing it, and for me, it passed the test because I made commissions using the strategy, so using the opt-in page and with the email sequence. Now we're going to see if we can make more commissions, right? So far, I made a commission for the 72-hour challenge, but the potential to make more commissions with more high ticket products, software, and low ticket products is like tremendous. So let's see what happens. But right now it passed the test. Funnelfreedom.io. So Jonathan is going to launch this software on November 27th. If you want to get access to the wait list, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can apply to be an affiliate for this software. So this is my dashboard for the 72-hour challenge. So as you can see, I have sent 150 clicks to my affiliate link, 1013 referrals. I have 17 customers, and right now 16 in unpaid earnings. Now, to succeed with affiliate marketing, you need to know that it takes time, because once you start sending traffic to your opt-in page and start collecting leads, so I have seen that it's a matter of time to start getting results. Now, the cool thing about this system is that I have the first commission after collecting 6 contacts, which is absolutely incredible, because sometimes I start getting commissions when I got, like, for example, 25 contacts, 30 contacts, or 40 contacts. But with this system, I got the commission after I got 6 contacts or 6 leads. So if you have any questions about the software, you can write the comments below. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know how I can help you to get to the next level with affiliate marketing. So that's it for this video, guys. Talk to you soon, and God bless.